Let's pause the video right here for a second, and by the two phones on your screen you can easily tell this video is all about the two iPhone SE, red and black. Which one should you buy, which color attracts you more, which color makes more sense? I'll tell all the answers in this video, so keep watching till the end and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Let's get started. We'll start by unboxing both the cell phones really quickly. So you can see on your screen now these are the two phones. One is red, one is black. Design is similar, exactly similar, as these both are the exactly similar cell phones from interior. Like even from the front they are exactly same. You will see in a minute. So this is the black, as both don't have the covers. Black is bit of a, you can say, fingerprint magnet. Like fingerprint are easily visible on black. That is one drawback of the black one. And this is the red one. Like on this you don't see those fingerprints so easily, but it is more vibrant and better looking if you want a vibrant phone. And if you want a classy, you can always go for the black one. And yeah, most probably I guess you will be using the cases on this, as it's very expensive phone. So this is the black one. On black you can see reflections are very clear. You can even see my lights here. And on red one reflections are not that clear. So that is your personal choice. If you want a reflecting phone, works like a mirror maybe in too much of light. And from front you can see they both are similar. And this is my right one is my sister's and left one is mine. So I also have keen interest in photography and all. You can follow me on Instagram for that. So now coming to the displays. Display is like exactly similar, 4.7 inches LCD display, but a good quality LCD display. Cameras are 7 in the front, 12 in the back. If you want to see some samples, there is one video on the red one unboxing, separate video. You can watch that there, and you will get the all kind of camera samples also. So everything is good. Now the design, whichever you like, comment down which one would you prefer, black or white. Sorry, black or red or white maybe. Yeah, missed that. I don't know why I said white. Maybe ignore that. As you can see, and on black you can see from where I am shooting the phone, it's very clear. My OnePlus 7 was clear, and on red one that was not really clear. So that is the main reflection part. And everything else will be same. You will get the same things in the box as well. No charger. And for charger jugaad, in my unboxing of red iPhone, you can see that jugaad, how I am charging it without getting that. So this is from far away, so I have zoomed out, so you can see how they both differ. Like even if you want to make it more interesting, you can see black is same as that of the black background, and red is same as that of the cycle on the left corner. It's something like that. Now you can see, I'll pick up the red one first to show you from very close. So you can see it's not blood red, it's not bright red, it's somewhere in the middle. And it also has that pinkish tint, like very less, but there is kind of a pinkish tint. You won't see pink, but it will feel when you will compare it to the bright red. That's the difference. And this is the camera. And right now I'm doing something very funny. I'm shooting one phone on the another and third one on the second one. So there's kind of a chain going on with camera. So cameras are really good. If you want a phone with good camera and you want an iPhone at low price, this is the only choice right now. I've also heard that there is iPhone SE 3 coming, special edition 3. I only heard leaks, maybe not sure. Apple never leaks about their phones, so that might be a rumor. So these are the two cell phones. From the front both are same, from the back really different, but not really different material. Thank you. So yeah, this was the video about the two colored iPhone SE, white and black. Sorry, this was the video about iPhone SE red and black color variants. So now you can choose wisely which one you like. So you can do both, you can see on your screen. Choose whichever you like and let me know in the comments which one will you choose or which one did you buy. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.